Hello, everyone. Today we will talk about Banktivity, a powerful tool for managing personal finances. It's the perfect assistant for Mac, iPhone, and iPad users that will help you control your budget, analyze expenses, and achieve your financial goals. Banktivity allows you to connect bank accounts and sync transactions, create detailed budgets and track spending, analyze finances with charts and reports, manage investments and forecast profits, work with multiple currencies and integrate with iCloud. All data is secure, and the user-friendly interface makes the process of managing finances simple and clear. Banktivity offers several pricing plans depending on your needs. You can try a free demo before purchasing. Bronze plan costs $4.99 per month. Silver plan costs $6.67 per month. Gold plan costs $9.33 per month. In conclusion, Banktivity.com is an indispensable tool for anyone looking to manage their finances more effectively. With its help, you can control your spending, plan your budget, and achieve your financial goals. If you are not yet familiar with this app, be sure to check out the website and try it for yourself.